In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a trend line in Excel. A trend line is a simple way to highlight the overall direction in your data, upward, downward, or stable, and it helps you forecast or explain patterns at a glance. By the end, you'll know how to create a chart, add a trend line, choose the right type, and show the equation and R-squared value right on the chart. Start by opening Microsoft Excel and loading the worksheet that contains your data. Make sure your data is organized in columns, typically with your independent variable, like time or units, in one column and your dependent values in another. Headers are helpful but not required. Next, create a chart from your data. Select the range containing your X and Y values. Then go to the Insert tab. For most analysis, a scatterplot is the best choice because it treats both axes as numeric and preserves the relationship between X and Y. A line chart can work too, especially if your X values are evenly spaced categories like months. Once you insert the chart, you'll see your data points plotted. Click any data point in the chart to select the data series. This tells Excel exactly which series you want to analyze. If your chart has multiple series, make sure the right one is highlighted by checking the selection handles around the points. To add the trend line, you have two simple options. The first is to right-click directly on the data points and choose Add Trend Line. The second is to use the Chart Elements button, the small plus icon next to your chart, and check Trend Line. Either route gets you the same result. Excel will open the trend line options so you can choose the type. Linear is the most common and works well when the relationship looks roughly straight. Exponential can capture accelerating growth or decay. Polynomial can model curved relationships, and moving average smooths short-term noise to show the longer-term direction. For most cases, stick with linear unless your data clearly suggests otherwise. If you want more insight, enable the equation and R-squared value. In the trendline options, check Display Equation on Chart and display R-squared value. The equation shows the exact line Excel fit to your data, and R-squared indicates how well the line explains the variation, with values closer to 1, meaning a better fit. You can drag the equation to a clear spot if it overlaps your data. That's it. You've added and interpreted a trend line in Excel. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.